tak nak pusing pasal nak cerita pasal helmet ni je. Nak cerita banyak kita ni.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Selamat pagi. Sekarang di sini pagi. Hari ni semangat awal ni. Apa khabar semua? Macam biasa. Tadi saja tengok video lama. Tengok nak tergelak pun dah lama tak buat video. Hari ni kebetulan kita boleh buat satu video sebab hari ni ada kerja sikit. Hari ni kita nak buat video apa? Kita nak buat video masak-masak. Power shop video masak-masak. Dah tak ada buat video apa? Buat video masak-masak. Okey, sebelum kita buat video masak-masak, kita tengok dulu bahan-bahannya adalah seperti berikut.
Sayang sangat solo bolehkah baca?
Bertemu kembali. Okey, bahan-bahan dah yang pertama adalah kita nak pakai belakang ni. Okey, inilah bahan-bahan dia. Kita nak pakai ni. Kita akan pakai CPU i5 10400 berlaga dengan ni. Apa belakang ni pun aku pun tak tahu. Kau bacalah sendiri kat kotak tu. Ini adalah bahan-bahan kita akan masak hari ni. Bahan-bahannya lagi untuk bagi sedap dia lagi kita akan masuk ke belakang ni. Okey, kita ada case kita ada SSD 480GB. Kita masukkan sedikit RAM 8GB, DDR4, case HyperX Puri. Kita masuk juga nak bagi sedap. Lepas tu dijana kuasakan oleh dengan menatang ni. Menatang ni. Okey, GP 250W 80 brown. Yang ni yang penting 80 brown. Yang ni ada 80 jalan. Lagi apa lagi? Ni menatang ni. Kedai tom yum. Kedai tom yum. Ni penting. Kalau tak ada ni dia tak meriah. Kita akan pasang casing kedai tom yum. Pasal orang Siam banyak balik Siam. Tak boleh main pasal COVID-19. Jadi kita akan buka kedai Siam kita sendiri. Dan juga untuk penglihatan yang mantap. Datang ni banyak. Kita akan pasang dengan apa ni? Wah, rancangan masak kita ni. Nampak tu? Melengkung. Monitor. Kita akan pasang dengan ini untuk pemandangan yang lebih cantik. Aduh, sokok ni agak lem buat. Jadi apa tunggu lagi? Kita akan buat video hari ni macam mana kita nak masak. Jom layar.
I know you gonna dig this.
Well, now looky here, there, party people. Party up, Uncle back with ya. Holy mackerel, jumping your folks back. Looky here. Check me out, y'all. Doing it in the big party up. Who's that? Jump, my nigga, jump, let's jump.
Now I'ma kick a little something funky for the fellas. And all the fat ladies have been acting overzealous. They tell us so what the dealie was really the best one. And they could hardly wait to check out the next, so I bless them. Put his fat first, fatter than tractors. A kitty kind of voice, a contradictory factor. And how I let my fat words affect the fat girls to start moonwalking backwards and fit it backwards. And check this to sell a fancy. You in a frenzy, and now you and your friends be jumping like chimpanzees. I know my fans be wanting this back so bad. So I'ma kick a track and let you lay back and check this easy player. Songs you bump you on your CD player. Ticket to tell the not a sleazy cheesy hater. See you later. Give it a piece of paper with the funky ballpoint pens. Up people are ready to battle, but too busy to make an appointment. Oink man, just take a look at that figure. Wanna be Tupac? You hitting me up the rooftop, cause my group is too hot. Check who not. So who's it that my music abusive? Just like a two-fist. The plan lyrics when it's too big. You do this, but now I think my crew is your music. Your two sisters dig my voice and triple juices. 012 is how we do. We make the crowd go rowdy. Whoa, Malik and Joe again, y'all the radio. Blasting to your fat mama stereo. The way your name is, so you gotta keep it low. Whoa, show me love. Everybody throw it up. Bringing it back up in this business again. Your dream woman's dream man. The type that ain't gotta open doors and hold hands to show love, but to get down for show love. You know love never hold up when gracious boost. That's unheard of. And it never or ever occurred. I've been pulling something kinda crazy and absurd. Jumplings on my lick like in booze and schools and herds. When I'm grabbing microphones, they grabbing my shirt. We contemplating, sometimes we complicated. Amazing phrasing, got you gazing, trying to be chasing the dragon. They call me Joe the Dragon, and I don't mean to brag on, but Jizzle got his hands on experience to make your honey go delirious. I'm seriously silly, so what the dilly? You got beef with me really? You gotta be joking, or try to be provoking. Joe and Malik, we hot and we smoking. Uh-oh, Malik and Joe again, are y'all ready? Uh-oh, blasting to your fat mama's area. Uh-oh, the way your neighbor, so you gotta keep it low. Uh-oh, to all the players in the club, to all the honey, show me love. Everybody throw it up. Yeah, it ain't true until we take you fools on a journey back to the old school. When it was all about love and brotherhood and everything was crazy cool. Check, we used to wear white Nike Air Force sneaks with the fly gray Nike Air sweaters. And at the little playground next to the schools where everybody got together. Check it out, we used to drink and chill out in the park and freestyling from top of the dome. Then everybody would party at Moo Square because the mommy and daddy ain't home. Check, see, I be chillin', Joe be chillin', whole fat family be chillin', and I still got it, love for these suckers that's down with me. Uh-oh, Malik and Joe again, are y'all ready? Uh-oh, blasting to your fat mama stereo. Uh-oh, the way your neighbor, so you gotta keep it low. Uh-oh, to all the players in the club, to all the honey, show me love. Everybody throw it up.
Are you really the best at what you do?
Ala Chango Remix.
Aku belum cakap kamu dah lompat-lompat. Macam monyet lah.
Dengan mic checker satu dua, kekal berdua, ketua rap sampai ketua. Ramai yang tanya jadi handal apa petua. Bila keluar sengit topi londek seluar. Gimana jua liki lulah idola gua. Lagu lu gila lah, lagu baru tu lagi bila. Sony dia pusaka macam keris. Orang Johor tapi lagu ini dari Perlis. Diaduk dengan rapiku yang sedap macam dunia kebab. Macam mana boleh sedap mesti punya sebab. Pasti kepakaran mengubati hati punya luka duka. Hey muka memencuka terus jadi suka. Fansku gila menjadi-jadi hari-hari. Hadiah hari-hari macam hari-hari hari jadi. Rap sampai mati mulutku mic kamet. Ala Chango Remix bersama Yusni Hamid.
Puisi silap mata panggilku Joe Houdini, Malik dan Flezzo. Atas bentar psycho ada orang cakap macam kita hilang aku. Dan sekarang ala Chango ngalih suara menembus si radio. Ale-ale huru hara lagu dari dulu kala. baru semula tidak salah. Hiburkan hati tinggalkan masalah. Penipu lara ku diibaratkan, ini hebat timur bukan dari barat. Dan kami beratkan tradisi dan khazanah. Ambil keratan lagu yang sudah pernah jadi dendangan, jadi tepuk tangan. Jika tidak pandai tengok orang belah kanan, jangan silap ini Tufet memanggong dan gelekan ponggong. Mari kita bercanggong. Oh,
I'm gonna say something, man, that I've been dying to say, man, for a long time, man.
Ya, kau tertarik dengan lyrics, walau terbalik Mr. Malik, Joe Flizzo dan T-Bone. Spirit menarik kita, hidup terbaik bisa bikin goyang. Tukang karen modern bercerita, pasti girang. Ini laku girang yang kan menghilang. Kerasa sayur pertama kali gilang gemilang. Ku rap Melayu bergerbak kuku pekat, irama lekat dan terpahat di dalam minda yang mendengar jauh dan dekat.
Kau ada apa dengan cinta? Dulu benci kini kau minta agar kita kan tahan lama macam minyak lintah. Rap pintar, muzik merdu sekali. CD habis di kedai terseduh sehari. Janganlah sedih kalong, jom kita bercanggung. Di kota dan di kampung, joget sampai melambung. Disambung dengan gelak tawa-tawa sampai lebam. Canggung sampai pagi ke Tokuman sampai demam.
That was horrible.
Allah Canggung. Do you wanna have a party? Canggung. Do you wanna have a party? Canggung, Canggung, la 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 la. Do you wanna have a party? Allah Canggung. Do you wanna have a party? Canggung. Do you wanna have a party? Canggung, Canggung, la 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 la. Do you wanna have a party? Kalau tidaklah sayang kerana bulan, tidaklah bintang terbit tinggi. Kalau tidak kerana Tufet, Yusni Hamid tidak menyanyi.
Di saat waktu berhenti, kosong. Dimensi membutakan mata, memekakkan telinga. Lalu diri menjadi hampa. Saat paradigma dunia tak lagi digunakan untuk menerka. Sadarku akan hadirmu, mematahkan sendi-sendi yang biasanya tegak berdiri.
Ulti qalbi بالصراحة هيا نبعد الكراهة شاكرين على كل نعمة بعيدين عن الفتانة.
Merenungi luar jendela, mengagumi kebesaran yang Maha Esa. Ku menilai kehidupan dari sudut berbeza. Tak memadai hanya kecapi rasa selesa. Mahukan harta yang mampu beli satu semesta. Berpesta ke pagi botol bergelimpangan. Kekasih muda bukan takat berpegang tangan. Harta dan jamuan nafsu tidak berkekalan. Bila menjelang tua bukan itu jadi bekalan. Dan jangan puisi ini disalah tafsir pula. Bukan berkubah, cuba betuli diri jua. Ingin hidup sempurna, aset nilai berjuta. Saling tukar wanita, senyum dan mati tua. Bakat di kurnia jangan disalah guna. Jangan kufur nikmat yang diberi percuma. Guna kelebihan untuk hikmah bersama. Jagalah nama, hidup penuh pementasan dan drama. Ada berisi, ada yang kurus, ada melencong, ada yang lurus. Bukan semuanya tulus, tak ada sempurna, ada kurang upaya. Ada yang jadi buta hanya bila sudah kaya. Sebesar rumah bermula dengan sekecil bata. Boleh hilang dalam sekelip mata. Ucaplah Alhamdulillah, bukannya sukar kerana semana kaya atau besar. Tetap Allahu Akbar.
Jadikanlah tentera fisabilillah yang tertera di kalimah harap memanduilah kita apabila persimpangan tiba. Hidup penuh dengan rintangan harus ku hadapinya. Harapku tidak lupa diri bila gembira dan cuma mula mencari kau di saat hibah. Ku cuma manusia penuh dengan kesilapan, tapi bisa membezakan cahaya dan kegelapan. Tabah bila di kalangan duri onak dan cobaan. Teguh bila dicobakan karo kuasa dan perempuan. Sentiasa legar di minda, dikejar dan dipinta dari dari zaman bermula hingga ke akhirnya. Ku mengerti siapa ku tanpamu di sisi, dan apa guna posisi juga posisi. Sementara ini cuma hanya puisi, nukilan tulisan dan bisikan isi hati. Mencari keterangan, menjiwai peranan, menepati pesanan, janji juga saranan. Alhamdulillah atas kurniaan rezeki, moga tidak leka dalam perjalanan ini.
G, to the G, to the G, to the G, to the. Yeah, that's how we do it, it's old school style. Everybody put your hands together and clap to this. Know what I'm saying? Jiggy Joe Flizzo, Mr. Malik one time, and DJ T-Bone, the whole fat family. Allow me to complain now, a lot of things have changed now. Living the fast now, I'm torn in planes now. And all the spots and cities that we go, we glow. Snaps and autographs after re-show, we blowing them heads until they brain seed. We have to hook this shit, but yo, we came clean. My main dream and a dream to make it mainstream. I said again, could we make a dance be mine then? But maybe I should quit writing. Too many staring eyeballs, I got a kid frightened. But what in the world now, should I even pay attention to little suckers who ain't even worth a mention? So I'ma keep my head up, I'ma stand strong and stay creative, providing my fans songs should dance on while I rap to this. To celebrate the platinum plaque and clap to this. Come on, come on. To all my people in the back, to all my people up front, everybody in the house, a Jiggy Joe Flizzo. To all my people in the back, to all my people up front, everybody in the house, a Jiggy Joe Flizzo. Mr. Malik one time, a DJ T-Bone, the whole fat family. Ever since I was a kid, I just wanted to sing. Pursued my dreams and kept doing my thing. Is we rap stars now? Yo, I don't know. Am I having a ball now? You best believe so. Always wanted to be able to kick it at live shows with Mike Studios and meet some hot hoes. Uh-oh, now we got platinum plaques, we got gold awards and hits back to back. I never thought that rap could put us on.
Too fast, too furious. I'm too fast for y'all, man. Too fast, too furious. Oh, I'm too fast for y'all. Oh, you just came home from doing a bid. Tell me what you gon' do. Act a fool. Somebody broke in and cleaned out your crib. Boy, what you gon' do? Act a fool. Just bought a new pair and they scuffed your shoes. Tell me what you gon' do. Act a fool. Now them cops trying to throw you in them county blues. Boy, what you gon' do? Act a fool. Talking about traps, cops and robbers. It's 911, please call the doctor. Evacuate the building and trick the pigs. Since everybody want a piece, we gon' split your wig. See some fools slipped up and overstepped their boundaries. You about to catch a cold, stay the around me. Your peeps talking about what kind of she on. You'll disappear like poof. Be gone. You think 12 gon' catch me? Give me a break. I'm supercharged with a hideaway license plate. It seems they wanna fingerprint me and give me some years. They'll only get one finger while I'm shifting gears. I got suede on my roof, wood grain on the dash, sheepskin on the rug, golden grain in the stash. Hydraulics all around, so I shake the ride. We go front, back, and side to side. One pump just tripped up and made you spill your drink. Tell me what you gon' do. Act a fool. Now your car just stopped on an empty